don't mind. Babes, are you alright? Yeah, I'll be back before 9. There's rosé in the fridge, just pour mine. Cause I'ma give you that slow wine. Meanwhile, you know, the internet went mad for the freestyle.
Hey guys, so I'm with my mom.
So you can put me on camera.
Can you just say hi?
Hi.
So we are at Menards right now trying to figure out the flooring for the bathroom that I told you guys we were going to be redoing. So they don't have too many variations of the type of flooring that she wants. Can I see the picture? So this is the type of flooring that she wants, and it's like more of like a grayish color.
Darker gray though.
Dark charcoal looking gray. And these are just black and like a heather gray. So we're gonna see if 12 of these will be enough for the bathroom. So we're gonna lay out 12. We're gonna lay it out on here on the floor. So we have the countertops that we wanted. We just went with a laminate because it's easy to kind of score and break. And since this is my first time doing like a project like this would be pretty good. So we're looking for a sink and a faucet right now, and then we're gonna go to Home Depot and look at their peel and stick flooring. Oh, we need some safety stuff, so we'll be back. Okay, we got our safety glasses on.
which is 37.
So we are trying to take the sink out. I'm sorry, it's blurry. But we're trying to take the sink out, and then we're gonna do the toilet. We just looked up a tutorial on YouTube to try to take off the toilet. So we'll see if we can get it out, and we'll let you guys know if we are able to get the sink out. Like I said, this is all first time, you know. So we're learning as we go. So I'll let you guys know if we ever get it out. I think the toilet will be easier than the sink because the sink has like a shut-off valve that's like really hard to turn, and nobody's been able to turn it. Now we have like the tools to turn it, and it's still like really tight. So we'll see. Okay, y'all, we ended up getting the toilet out. I wish we could have recorded the whole thing, but as you guys can see, we got it all out. So all we need to do is take these off the sides of the toilet, and then unscrew the toilet from this part, and then take the washers off on the left and the right hand side, and then turn the water off and unscrew this from the toilet. And then we just took the toilet up. You're supposed to put something in here. I'm not sure why, but my thinking is, you know, I don't want an animal in here or some shit. I don't know, you know, I just don't know. All the progress I've made so far. So we ended up getting all the floor out, and my mom actually found a like a DIY hack to kind of get the floor up off of the concrete, and basically you just put nail polish remover, and I literally used just some nail polish remover that we found in the home, and I put it in a spray bottle, and I let it sit on the tiles for a little bit. I put it like in the cracks of the tile, and sure enough, the tile came. Here is the floor that we're going to go with, and this is peel and stick tile floors. I know this is upside down, I'm sorry guys, but this is like floor pop, and it's literally just peel and stick. You take this off and you peel and stick it. I was thinking about doing grout with this, but I'm not sure. My mom got this from Joann Fabrics, and these are regularly priced at $19.99. They're regularly priced at $19.99, but I had a 50% off coupon, and my aunt also had a 50% coupon. So my mom got 2 of these for the price of one. Okay, so this is like day 7 of me being here. We finally got a partial cutout of the top cabinets. The top cabinet is uneven, definitely. So we did measure correctly, but the walls are not even at all. So we're gonna go ahead and glue what we have already. The piece that we have cut out already. We got a router so we can cut the edge off. So we did leave some excess over so we don't, like, you know, get a little too happy. So what we're using is this contact cement by Wellwood. And this is a non-flammable formula. All I did was read the instructions on the back, although they did give us some instructions at the store. But we are using this to bond the wood to the Formica laminate that we have. So I'm just going to do an even layer on the wood and then do an even layer on the Formica, and then we're going to just wait till that get tacky, and then we're going to lay down the laminate. So okay, we are at our last day finally. Woot, 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 woot. So we are going to just add some decor and add like some shelves and stuff. So I'm just going to show you guys us doing that, and then I'm going to reveal the masterpiece once it's done. Okay, guys, I am all set, all done with this bathroom. It's been a long time coming, a long journey, but we are all set. We still have one more thing to do, like on the counter, on the ends of the counter. You guys probably wouldn't notice that if I didn't say anything, but we still have to do that. But I'm about to just show y'all before my mom gets down here. I decorated everything in here before she got down here, but she's like right over my shoulder right now, so it won't be a surprise to her. But let me show y'all before I show her.
Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up, don't want you believe it. Tough love, you take it or leave it. Washed up.